This is Dave Sills and Greg Kopp, and their research at Western University involves a twist, or shall we say, twister.
If any tornado happens across the country, we're trying to be on top of it. With the Northern Tornadoes Project, what we're doing is detecting, assessing, and making public tornado data from across the country.
And tracking tornadoes takes the latest in satellite and radar technology, GIS software, and drones.
This is really incredible technology, imagery, and detail that we've never had before. We can put it all together and get a better idea of tornado risk in the country. And we're actually learning a lot about how climate change might affect tornadoes in the future.
Building partnerships enables you to do things that you wouldn't have thought possible. Our research team with doctoral students has been absolutely amazing. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is improve the safety and the lives of Canadians.
The team is putting tornadoes on the map so that we can keep our environment, our property, and ourselves a little safer.